A dream I know, deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello reality viewers, welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of news and politics. For this channel, we dey drop news every day and we dey react to every videos wey comes our way. And na reality news now we dey drop for this channel, and we dey also dey talk am as e be. If today na the first time we say you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support to this channel. I say may God bless all of una in Jesus name. Amen. I get video where I want present to una this very moment, and I go to follow una, they watch the video. After we don't watch them together, make we drop our opinion constructively for the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
I just want to quickly address the issue of the conflict between DOS, Simon Ekpa, and including the brother of Nnamdi, Kanu. Good morning. If you are just joining me, I just finished the broadcast now, so I said I should come back for to address the issue of Biafrans and Simon Ekpa and Mazi Kanunta. I'm not here to abuse them all. Some people normally, the thing is this, some people don't even know how to watch, to analyze voices on social media. I've never been here to attack DOS, or maybe I do with my sentiment. I've never been here to attack Simon Ekpa, maybe somebody, or maybe I do with my sentiment. And I'm going to say this morning. My question is this. Mazi Simon Ekpa, you are a very talented person, bro. Very talented. You can bring situation out of situation. You can bring situation out of no situation. You are very talented. Simon Ekpa, we need you in Biafra. You are exceptional. You are a very talented young fella. I watch you all the time. I must commend you that you're doing a great job because you can speak. DOS of the heads of Biafra or IPOP, I'm going to commend you guys. You're doing a great job. There are a lot of things that you do that we can't see on the surface. I must commend you guys. You're doing a great job. You are doing a great job, trust me. When I come to talk on social media or addressing issue, people think that I'm attacking you people. I'm not attacking you. But I just pray that this video get to you guys. Simon Ekpa, DOS, we don't know you guys. Biafran at hand, because everybody in Biafra land is a Biafran. And also to address my brother Mazi Kanunta, the brother of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I must commend you. Thank you very much, bro, for coming to social media for an interview yesterday. That's the reason I want to address you, bro. I wouldn't have brought your issue here, but because I saw your courage on social media last night with worship media, Dr. Chidi. And I also don't want to forget Dr. Chidi. I want to say, Dr. Chidi, you are a good vlogger. You brought Kanunta to ask some questions, and I saw that there are some questions that I should have asked Mazi Kanunta, and you did ask the question. Yesterday, I wanted to pick up my phone and ask questions. But today, I say I'm going to come and address this. All of you, you are doing a great job. But I want to ask you this. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Nta, Mazi Simon Ekpa, DOS. My question is this: is there any room for reconciliation? I'm asking all of you. Is there any room for reconciliation? Because families can fight and they are going to reconcile. Have I quarreled with my families? Yes. But there's always room for reconciliation. DOS, you need Simon Ekpa in this struggle. Simon Ekpa, you need DOS in this struggle. DOS, Simon Ekpa, you need Mazi Kanu Nta in this struggle. You need me in this struggle. You need each and every Biafran watching me right now in this struggle. When you look at the structure, when you look at, you see, forget about those people that are coming to rant and looking for money on social media. Forget about them. They want to blog and gossip. People like to see where they gossip too much. If I actually want a followers on this platform, I will put Biafran flag and I will name it Biafra. Anytime I come here, whether I say rubbish or I say the right thing, I will see a lot of people and I will make my money. Before I go further, I want to address a message sent to me last week when I make a video in Israel, that guy got his followers from IPOB, and I smiled. My brother, if I wanted IPOB, I know a lot of things. I'll not be moron. If I wanted to get followers, what I will do is put Biafran flag here and I will name it something something Biafra or IPOB, and I will get a lot of followers. But it took me time to get followers because I think I sat down and think, oh, I'm a vlogger, I want to do traveling. But as a Biafran born, inborn Biafra, I decide, okay, I can't be here and not talk about Biafra. I don't just wake up one morning and make video on social media and people begin to follow me. I have to use my money to do that, my brother. I spent over $700 to get the followers, to get my message to reach across. I am not the best vlogger. I have, now me get the lowest followers, but I'm contented with it. The highest followers at a time that when I'm vlogging is 700. I've never met 800. But we see people getting 2,000 at a time. I'm not bothered about that. Now, that one or that one. My question is this. I keep asking. I was waiting for so long. I was waiting for DOS. I was waiting for Simon Ekpa. I was waiting for all other social media bloggers to come and say, oh, Simon Ekpa and the DOS are pranking us. Prank. Do you know what is prank? Prank is when somebody is just playing on you. It's playing on your intelligence. That is what they call prank. But this our fight on social media, it is irritating. It irritates me. I'm sorry. Simon Ekpa, it is irritating me. You are a very talented guy. I watch you all the time. You are very talented. And I'm addicted to you. Yes. You are very, we need you. DOS. You are not structured to come and talk on social media. When you check out, when Nnamdi Kanu was not there, this guy came out and he starts to sanitize us. He is the only one who came up and started making us understand that, oh, we are still here. We are still here. You are not built to come and talk on social media. We understand. Now, this is misunderstanding. You people were moving well before this small misunderstanding. This is common misunderstanding. If Nnamdi Kanu come here now, this thing will stop now. Because it's nothing. This is the reason why Africa is not moving forward. There is solution more than problem. Mazi Simon Ekpa, is there any room for reconciliation? DOS, is there any room for reconciliation? Mazi Kanunta, is there any room for reconciliation? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not just your brother, he's my brother. He is our adopted brother. It's not all about, oh, now my brother, now my brother. I don't like to hear that words. Because now, if federal government of Nigeria say, how many people want to die for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Before Mazi Kanu, before you raise up your finger, thousands of Biafrans will raise up their hand and say, let me die for him. Yes, it's your blood brother. When they check your DNA and him is the same. When they check my DNA and your brother is not the same. But I can die for your brother. If the federal government today says, who want to go to prison for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, I will stand up. I'm saying it out today because I have it in my mind. I say, if they can say that, I will raise up my hand and I will beg my families and say, okay, so be it. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu belongs to all of us. He's fighting for all African countries. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu belongs to all Africans. Not even Nigeria, not even... because he's fighting for Africa. Something is wrong somewhere. Can't you see that? Why are you people coming on social media and painting the red to black? This is just a family misunderstanding. I was expecting you guys to come and say, oh, it's a prank. If una get sense, I'm sorry. I'm speaking with authority now. All of una, if una get sense, una for don't go behind closed door and speak with yourself and then come to social media and say, hey, na pranko, we dey play with una. Una no reba na ezuzu. Mu wana na social media eba na bakwa. We are just supporting you people. I cannot go back to Nigeria now. All of you are not supporting anybody. Una children there with una for Germany. Una children there with una for Finland. Una children there with una for US. But some of us when they here, we won't go back home. Our children are there. We haven't seen them for years. But go to the airport there. My face is all over now. They know. I have the army, Nigerian army. I have them as friends. It's there for my phone. Some of them are just pretending to be my friend. They are just want to hear from me. Some of them are bringing message to me from the camp. But una know they see people will get sense. Instead make una they see somebody like us, like we will not be anything. I will have seen somebody that will say, okay, this guy, what did they talk makes sense so. Which information you they get from any soldier? Now before they carry police army go Nigeria, go there, go they kill. I don't get the information from army friend. He said, my brother, they don't select people where go. Now people will not be able. See how they get be. They go kill people. Oh. But when I see people like us, we are nothing. I'm not asking anybody. I don't want to belong. I don't want people to call me. I've seen people got my number from US. They want to know who I am and blah blah. You want to be my friend? I know they befriend people. You talk to me, they want to hear more from me. I know they answer them again. I don't trust nobody. I keep saying this. I listen to you as a person, Simon Ekpa. You are doing well, you are talented. And I followed you. You are making sense. We need you. Because we need somebody like you who can speak as spoken person. DOS, we need you as secret agent. All Biafrans, we all need you guys. In this struggle, we need each other. My question remains, is there any room for reconciliation? Because let me give you an analysis. No, every time when I speak here, I analyze. You see the problem that is happening between the DOS and some vloggers. I'm not even talking about Simon Ekpa. I'm talking about those individual vloggers where they put fire for frying pan. The one where they support Simon Ekpa, he go come, blah, 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 DOS, do this, DOS, do this. The one where they support DOS, he go come, Simon Ekpa, do this, Simon Ekpa, do this. You people are just putting, now they put fire inside frying pan. Let me analyze to you what this thing be like. The structure now, I mean, the situation now is like a man who came back from work and found his wife in their room with another man. Please listen good. I have 200 and something people watching right now. What is happening? The situation right now, the conflict right now between the DOS and the vloggers. This is exactly what I'm going to analyze to you. I'm going to use a woman as a scenario. A man who came back from work, tired, and when he came into the house, he found a wife with another man sleeping with the woman. The man will go outside, begin to shout to five people, "Hey, man, when I can't see my wife, another person they sleep with my wife." When a man talk like that, what do? Don't just listen to the man. Listen to the woman. Why did you bring a man into the house? Ask questions. Now, the man will talk, say another person they sleep with her. Probably. Not be say probably, because I'm using this scenario straight. That man, he gets sugar diabetic. He no fit sex in wife. For the past 6 months and 1 year, he know they sleep with his wife. But if that time we see that woman inside room with another person, you can't come for street. Come they shout, say, see, I see my wife with another man. Oh, another man they sleep with my wife. Oh, but Oga, I never sleep with her since 1 year. Oh, my prick not they work because of diabetic. Oh. What do you think that man will do? So, okay, the blame will reduce. You will reduce the blame from the woman because that woman is a woman, even though she is wrong. But if it's in that case, you did not explain anything to anybody. Like, oh, my wife now shower, he carry one man come. But if you don't listen to his wife, you go on crucify that wife with this man. But when you come to the woman and say, "Madam, why did you do that?" The woman go say, what thing I do? I know say you no good though. But say you know say since 1 year my husband no fit sleep with me because in prick not they work. You as a man, what thing will come to your mind? You say, oh, but madam, you for no carry and come house now. Not be house you supposed to do. You see. Did you see that? Because you listen to the both sides of the story. Okay, Simon Ekpa, this is where you have a problem. This is where you have a problem. Can we fix this? Now, you as a person in the middle of the husband and wife, what will you do? You begin to call the husband, "My dear brother, but you be my neighbor now. You be my brother. Why you not tell me say you get this? You get one of my brother will get this situation since. See, medicine where you use. See how you take control himself." This is the situation. Somebody should call you people to order before una kill yourself. Before una kill yourself, before some people go begin to commit suicide. Mazi Kanu, this is the message I have for you. Last night, when Dr. Chidi was interviewing you, you say you don't care about people who mention your names. My brother, you care. I'm a psychologist. Nobody in this world, if you don't spell their name right, listen to me and listen to my English. Me, I speak pidgin English plus broken English. Listen to me. If somebody does not spell your father name right, will you be happy? No. Your name is not spelled right on social media. People that are abusing, relax, listen, I'm not accusing you now and I'm not attacking you. I'm letting you know that when you say you don't care about people who is accusing you on social media, you care. When you go to bed, you think about it. As a psychologist, I know. When you go to bed, somebody on social media, you open social media today, you find like 10 people talking trash about your name. They are not spelling your name right. You are not spelling your father's name right. And you're telling me you are going to go to bed and close your eyes? You lied, my brother. It's a concern. I know your brother is there. We need your brother out. But yesterday, when you came to Dr. Chidi's platform, this is what I learned from you. I understand that, oh, you did not sell your brother out, and confusion here and there. So you decided to play the game the way you play it. And now, according to you, you said that the DOS were the person that are in charge, that speak with your brother all the time. They should be the one to tell us that Nnamdi Kanu was being kidnapped, but they did not tell you. They were expecting you to come and tell them. Now they accuse you that you are the one who sell your brother out. If you don't come to social media and tell the people, how will they know? You just keep quiet. When somebody talks, say you thief. You too, you go say, I know thief. Oh. Why don't you come to social media and debunk everything? This is what I said last time. I said you people should come and debunk what Simon Ekpa is saying, if it is untrue. Because this guy came with evidences, with your voices. Please, something is wrong somewhere. Listen to me. I have about almost 300 people watching me here. Make I tell you last night, go to Dr. Chidi Worship Media and watch the question they asked this guy about DOS. Did you know what he says? He said the DOS accused him that he sold their brother out. And later on, they came back to reconcile that he don't have a problem. They have a problem right now as I'm talking. Me, I get sense. Mazi Nkanunta, you are just a member like us, like you said. DOS are the power of IPOP. But they are sidelining you, my brother. Something is wrong somewhere. Open your mouth and talk. If there's no problem, then settle this matter. Make we settle this matter. When I look at the question they ask you, the way you answer, I address the question like, they are the one, anytime they want you, they will call you, that you don't have a problem with them, and then they are in charge. There's a lot of questions that wasn't going right for me. Brother, I'm not attacking you. I repeat, brother, Anaham attacking you. Somewhere inside this family, something is wrong somewhere. My brother, don't just sit there and say you are fighting. You cannot fight for your brother alone. You see that guy, Mazi Simon Ekpa. My brother, please. Please. If I were you, I will go behind door and talk with the guy like, please sit down with me. Sit down with me. Let us talk. What? Talk in secret. Now your brother. Oh. Now your brother. Oh. Nigerian government is ready to spend any amount to keep your brother there for a long time. You need to hear from Simon Ekpa. Don't hear from DOS. You need to hear from DOS. Don't hear from Simon Ekpa. Go to Simon Ekpa. You have documents. You don't need to tell anybody where you're going except your wife. Talk to Simon Ekpa. Please, can I meet you, my brother? Carry some people who will follow you. Simon Ekpa, make una meet. Even if na police station, una go meet. Make una talk like brothers. Oh, my brother, now waiting make am. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, Simon Ekpa, I'm sorry. You know what happened? We will settle this thing. Now, just a small misunderstanding. Nobody sold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, as long as I can understand now. Please, can you? My brother, please, Kanunta, you have a problem. Men watching at you yesterday, you have a problem. Nobody make you know the talk say you don't get problem. You just come to social media to answer questions. Brother, when you go back to your bed, now like this, you did lie down. You go begin to count the ceiling. They imagine how your brother is feeling in that dungeon. You imagine when you wake up in the morning, your wife go kiss you in the cheek and say, darling, bye-bye. You imagine when you wake up in the morning, maybe probably you go to pick your children at school, but your brother is not there to pick the children at school. You will be imagining that your wife, your brother's wife is lying down alone in that bed with just 2 pillows. When she open leg like this, instead where Nnamdi Kanu go enter the leg, the leg is empty. Me, I dey speak truth. I dey open up. Because husband and wife need to be intimacy once a while. The woman has been there for so long. You cannot deny that you didn't have intimacy with your wife for the past 1 week. Don't follow what is happening in social media. You don't let us lose your brother. Make peace behind closed door. If you dey follow the way we dey rant for social media, my brother, you go just stay there until etu fogi. Don't trust Igbo people. You may trust the DOS, you may trust the assignment Ekpa, but me, Solomon Okereke, I trust no Igbo man. And I'm going to tell you guys a story. The reason why I keep saying that I don't trust an Igbo man, I'm going to tell you guys today. Sometimes last year, some years back when I was in South Africa, I don't know if I've said this before. The reason why I don't trust Igbo man in any business, let me tell you, and I will never bring millions and say, Igbo man, oh yeah, let us all companies together. Never in my life. And I'm going to tell you the reason. They say anybody when madman beat him mama, if you see mechanic, also. Now I'm going to tell you. I used to sell veg in South Africa. And in this big, giant veg market in South Africa, there's this Zimbabwe guy who I normally buy veg from. This guy confronted me in South Africa veg market in that morning. I said, bro, Solomon, please, I want to show you something. I said, what? He said, there's something I want to bring for you to see. I said, okay. The second day, I came to the market. The guy brought nothing. He said, oh, I forgot, I'll bring it again. The following third day, he brought what they call drug. Facebook, please allow me to analyze, please, so that people will understand me. I'm not here to promote drugs. Somebody brought something as big as this for me. White. I've never dealt with drug before. I never sell drug in my life before. I've never seen any drug in my life before. This guy brought something white, as big as this. When he brought it, I said, what is this one? He said, I found it somewhere. But somebody told me it's drug. I said, no, I can't snap him. Send them to somebody. That person say, this thing Namonio. See. I told the guy, where did you get it? He said, I found it somewhere. What I did was like, I took that thing. I opened an apple. There's an apple that's very big like this. I opened the apple. I scrape it outside the apple. I scrape it. I put that thing inside. I seal it. I put in the veg. I took it down to my house. Then I confronted a Yoruba brother. That brother, come and see this thing. He came to see it. He said, bro, this thing is money. Then the person that I sent the video to, the picture to, live in Port Elizabeth. He said, this thing will worth about 10,000 rand, Solomon. I said, no, be me get time, but I don't know. This guy, I know something is wrong somewhere, I don't know. And letting you guys know the reason why I don't trust Igbo people. And I want you to listen good. Now, let me cut the story short. This Yoruba brother now called one Igbo man way in Sabi, where we say in the deal with powder for South Africa. They came to my house. The brother first came to my house. He's waiting. It was raining that day. I can remember vividly. Then, after some time, the other brother came. That Igbo brother came. He drive in. When he came, I have 2 gates in my house in South Africa. I opened the gate. He came in. I directed him to the second gate where we normally park our cars. He went there. I went and I brought this thing. Do you know what that brother first did? Before he even touched this drug, what did he first talk? He said, let me show you guys something. I'm going to... Do you know what he did? That guy gets his own drug for inside motor. He come out. You know what he did? He began to do like this. You see, my brother, you see, he began to do like this. He began to sprinkle the drug in my compound. His own. Do you know why? What he's doing? My brother, I'll be very clever person. No? He's intimidating me. When they put on, he talks, say, my brother, see, make I tell you, I'm going to act the way the guy acts. You see, my brother, make I tell you, if not be because of this, my brother, me, as I come, I go come with police, and I go collect this thing, they go put you in prison. And me, I go collect this thing, go. See how much way I won't give you. If you don't want, make I go. He begin to say, this one not be original. Say, this one now original. He took that one, he began to sprinkle it as well. If I refuse to sell it to him, the police will come. They are going to sniff that drug there, and I will be arrested. And I will bring it out. Wherever I keep it, I will bring it out. And I'll be locked up. Probably I'll be in prison in South Africa till now. Then I called that brother aside. I said, bro, why is this guy sprinkling this thing? Why is he pricing this thing 300 rand? This thing is not mine. It's an opportunity. Yes, everybody loves money. Yes, even though I was wrong collecting the parcel. But I need money. Okay, it's not me. Okay, give us money. Give us 5,000. Then we share the money and move on. I took the risk, but this brother said, you know, when somebody told you, hey, if I come now because of this brother will bring me come, me I no send though. If I come with police, they go seize them from you and they go send you to prison. Me I will collect a brought. If you no agree 300, make I they go. My brother, I called the brother aside. I said, tell him to give you the money and fuck out of this place. Tell him to give you the money and fuck out of here. 300. The drug is as big as this. 10,000 rand to 300 rand. He left out of my house. I was still not comfortable. Like, why did this guy do this? He saw I'm an Igbo guy. I speak Igbo with him. And you come intimidating me without even knowing me. That my brother, you don't know me. Oh, now we the run town here. Somebody come to do business with you, but you're already intimidating. That's it. That's Igbo for you. Since that day, if you talk about money, I fear our brothers. You see, some of our brothers who came out from South Africa here, when you I mingle with them, they try to talk about the drugs that some of them they sell. I'm not saying all of them. When they see me the way I act, when you begin to talk about drugs, I will never want to be your friend again. So the time where I did South Africa, they arrest me for they sell drugs. Once you say that word, I will never want to be your friend anymore. The question you should ask me, did I have the opportunity of selling drugs in South Africa? Yes. I was on the street. But never. Waiting at the cell na cigar. Waiting at the cell na chingum. Waiting at the do na phone call. Waiting at the cell na veg. I can't put everything all together. Money they come here, money they come here. I never have food problem in South Africa. I never has a housing problem. Now me they keep people. In fact, now me people they rent house from my hand. Food is never my problem. If you're hungry, come sit down with me. If you reach afternoon time, I will feed you. I feed a lot of people on the street. With that small thing where they do. When I bought my car on the street, they think I was a drug dealer. I wasn't. God's time is the best. That is the reason I don't trust Igbo, my brothers. And I'll give you another reason why I don't trust Igbos. In my house, in my compound in South Africa, there's a guy who was dealing with this thing. I never knew. I rented a room for one guy, but I was suspecting. I'm letting you know when you are in our mix there. That's the reason they put you in trouble. You go there, they go put you in prison. Make una de shine una eyes. I have 3 rooms. I took one room. I rented one room for another, and I rented one room for another brother. The other brother not they go work. And I was suspecting him. Because in some cases in South Africa, some people they don't get work. Now women be their problem. You go get many girlfriends, now them they go to pay rent, they go to do everything. I thought. But he was into this thing. I don't have a problem with him. I never consulted him. He was doing his things in my house, no problem. But the other brothers, they have a brother who just came from prison. All of a sudden, once one person just returned, I saw somebody at home. They said, this is my brother. Okay. This same brother began to tell me story that my brother, since I come South Africa, immediately I enter South Africa, the very first week, they put me for prison. He began to tell me. I said, oh, that prison you did since? He said, my day prison since, and I won't go back home. As I enter, now this thing I come to sell, they catch me, I don't get locked, I won't go back home. Now my neighbor, I have another neighbor who is a flat. The flat is just beside. I want people to understand. That neighbor was a drug dealer. I have a dog that time, Chelsea. I have a giant dog. In this house of this dog, now there this brother go put in these things. You see how they put person for problem? Me, I no kukuma know anything. Innocent Solomon. This brother will come from prison. In the day house all the time. He dey play with my dog. And he dey clean the compound. One day he was cleaning the compound. Then he carried that dog house come out. Now there he go find this thing. When he find this thing under there, he carry him. Go sell him for Joburg. When the owner come, kata come bust for house. Now Solomon carry him. Oh. Now the other person carry him. Oh. I tell her, say, my brother, I don't know what this thing, I never see him with my eyes before. So you they do this kind of thing? You they do this kind of thing inside here? Yes, I they do amo. This thing I borrow money. Oh. Now thousands and millions of money. Oh. See. You see the person will carry him. They no fit do him anything. In brothers, no fit fight him. None of them fit fight him. But me, I was studying like they tell, you go come drink radiator water. I'm telling you guys the reason why I don't trust Igbo. I'm an Igbo man. Come and drink radiator water. Come and drink radiator water. The man can't tell them, say, make I drink radiator water. I can't tell all of them, you guys are cowards. All of you now, they ask and make you come drink radiator water. If you now want to deal with him, may we deal with him now. Let's beat him now to confess. Did you know why? How we realize that he's the one who took it? Person when no get work, you don't begin buy property, they go home. That's the reason I say be careful. Igbo brothers, I don't trust Simon Ekpa. I don't trust nobody. A lot of all these people when they do social media bloggers, they no get their hand, no they clean. And that does not mean I'm denying them of fighting for IPOB. Somebody say I must be a mafia. I'm not a mafia, bro. I'm not a buzo, chinga. No, I'm not a mafia. Seriously, I hate where there's only problem. I'm not a mafia. I'm innocent. Seriously, for me to say fighting, you know, one thing about me, I like justice. If they want to fight the guy, if you will carry the drug, keep there. If you are sure that what you are doing is legitimate, let's fight him. The police will be involved. Then you begin to go to police station and talk. Then they are afraid now. You have to understand, I'm not a mafia. Me, I like to involve. I was telling them, let's call the police. They said no. Okay, make we beat them. You go call police. They go tell police waiting a thief. You go tell the police waiting you keep for house. Everybody they go prison with that. I'm not a mafia. I'm a realist. Point of correction. I'm a realist. Somebody like me is a realist. Somebody who tell the truth straight up. I want you to understand today. I broadcast and I'm a realist. Somebody say I should stop exposing myself. Hey, Elizabeth, James, I'm not exposing. I'm telling you the truth. I'm not exposing. I'm a realist. I said the truth the way it is. I've never involved myself in anything drug before in my life. But I said the truth. The reason why I cannot trust Igbo man. There's no way in South Africa they are going to find any evidence. Let me tell you something if you don't know about South Africa. South African government, they know. The police, they know those that are dealing with these things. And I'm going to give you an example. I was in the street in South Africa. Camera is there watching me. I never knew. For complete 3 years, the South African police are watching me. I know what I'm doing. And I'm going to tell you the reason why I know that South Africans are watching each and every one. If you're dealing into drug, they know. If they are not arresting you, they know they are eating from you. Something happened on my street and the police came to me, asking me questions. And I say, I don't know. The police say, hey, this is the day you came to South Africa. You started using this place so time. You are a good man. This is what you do. We watch you all the time. You are a good man. So don't tell me I'm exposing myself, Eliza. I know what I'm talking about. When I gave somebody an invitation to enter South Africa, the immigration called me. They know the type of car I'm using. They know the house I'm staying. They say, we know you. We know your house. You are a good man. We are going to allow this guy to come in. 100% good man. The South African immigration spell my name correctly. They represent my name. The South African police represent my name. They spell my name correctly. I'm not exposing myself. I'm exposing the things that your brothers do to hurt each other. I don't care if they're selling it or they are not selling it. I don't care. But don't involve me in your racketing. You know how many of them, they are killing each other there in South Africa all the time? Probably some of them are watching me. They are in Israel. They don't like what I'm saying. My brother, I don't know you guys. I don't know who do and who don't. But I'm a realist. I'm not speaking for you. I'm speaking for myself. The reason why I'm saying this is just to let you know the reason why I cannot side Simon Ekpa 100%. I cannot side DOS Simon 100%. Mazi Kanunta, please find a way. You cannot fight your brother alone. You cannot fight this war alone. All these people are talented. They are involved already. Do your own investigation. Don't just sleep. Now your blood brother, remember you have lost your mom. You have lost your dad. And the only daddy you have is Nnamdi Kanu. He's the daddy of the family. Nnamdi Kanu is the only daddy of your family. Don't listen to whatever the people of DOS are telling you, because yes, we are in a war. But then, bro, pinch yourself. Say, can I believe him or do I not? Yeah, trust him. Just give him 50% trust. And you pretend you give them 100%. But if you can't do yakata, oh boy, before you know, you are gone, bro. Now you are the advisor. Because me, what I'm seeing here is there is no time for them to reconcile. But me, I am here to preach peace. I'm not here to attack anybody. I'm here to preach peace. I appreciate yesterday that you came to Dr. Chidi platform. I see the tears in your eyes, my brother. I saw it in your eyes. I saw you're missing your brother. I saw you miss your mom. I saw you miss your dad. And I'm sure you miss home. This January, you should be sitting by your father's side and your mother's side and eat nkwobi. But you are here, you are in Germany, fighting for your brother in dungeon. Don't allow people, see, money issues is the problem now. Is that money issue? Oh, some people, they pay money to this account. Some people, they pay money to this account. Money issue are Igbo people with money issue. To fiakwa. Please forgive me. I not talk say all. We like money, but some people, they can kill for money. We have problem here. When they are talking about money, now we have a problem. Can we just sit down and reconcile? Please come to the social media and tell us it's a prank. I want to see Simon Ekpa come one day and say, oh, everything na prank. Oh, we just want to fool the elite. We want to fool the elite. I want to hear DOS came to the line and say, oh, we are just pranking you people. Everybody, stop all this. Simon Ekpa is on our side. DOS is on our side. Everybody should be one. One family, IPOB, one family. Can you do that? Can you guys be man enough? Put your pride one side. Those people are the head of DOS. Put your pride one side. All of you don't get white beer. I dey see you now. Some of you don't get white beer now. Waiting they worry you now. My brothers. Don't worry about my sentiment. I dey vex. If I dey talk to you now, una be my brother. I know they vex, but I know happy for waiting they happen. Make we reconcile. Some people, when you call on program, they go they abuse Simon Ekpa. When you call another person for DOS, you go they abuse DOS. You know, that thing is irritating. I don't like it. For me personally, I don't like attacking people. I don't like when they are talking ill of people. They're talking about DOS. They're talking about Simon Ekpa. They are talking about each other. Those bloggers are busy attacking each other. It makes no sense. The government are laughing at us while our brother is there. As I come here now, make I talk about Buhari, make they vex, make I talk about the elites, make they vex. That is what I want to see all the bloggers talking about. But rather, we are talking about Kanu. We are talking about Simon Ekpa. We are talking about DOS. You know, she say we get mental problem with that. Don't it look like we are mentally ill? This is what it is, guys. Good morning. I love you all. Please don't take me for an idiot. This is the message I have this morning. Hausa protect their own. There's no place like world. You cannot bad people. Ibiko. Yes. Gina. Rose. Yeah, there's no place where no bad people no day. Now I make her the talk now. Sometimes we can put our pride down. Like I said now, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu brother. There are things he doesn't know. When you look at that statement yesterday, he doesn't know much. Behind the curtain, leave DOS one side. Call the guy. In fact, you go enter Finland without allowing anybody to know that you come to Finland. Call the guy. Say, you see, I want to see you. So place. Please, I want to talk to you. Maybe there's something I don't know you know. They go sit down and talk. And I believe even if they go back, Simon Ekpa go buy ticket, give them back. Say, my brother, see. This is where I have problem. This thing I know do. They say I thief money. I know thief money. I don't know about it. Okay, you know what? We are going to settle this. Then you go back to one of the DOS, wherever they come from. You can invite them and you can let them come to you. You sit down in your parlor and talk to them. Hey. We are one family. We have to stop this. Can you do that? I don't know. I don't think you can do that. I don't think you can do that. Behind the curtain, if una don't settle this matter behind the curtain, we will be mumu. Where they watch you now, we not go know anything. Una go just come one day and say, para with the prank una see Simon Ekpa and all of una go just sit down, make one video one day. Because una dey full of sabi. That I go come they laugh. Say, Mazin Kanunta, una dey full of sabi. Una just they confuse the elite. Okay, we understand. Good one. All of us go come they clap for una. But it's going beyond where una go. Somebody go commit suicide. Let me say this before I go. I had a dream on Friday night. Let me say this before I go. That was the reason why I even make this video. Anyway, I had a dream that when I wake up, in that dream, I came out and saw some Biafrans just passed by, not just close to my house. And you know, it's a dream. There's this someone who is like an opponent, like this division of a thing. The other person was like arguing. He was like being too emotional about what is happening between the two Biafrans. The person called the dead too emotional. What he did was like he put the house on fire. When he put the house on fire, then he jumped into the house. Everybody, let me explain to you this dream again, please. I want you guys to understand this dream. All of you will know the meaning of dream. Make una go talk. I'm saying it between my heart. Friday night stroke Saturday morning, which was yesterday. A group of Biafran people came without my knowledge. I just came out of the house and I saw them going to a particular place. When I came out, they said, Solomon, we didn't look for you. They were lying. They were not looking for me. I just coincidentally, I meet them. So between this division where we get for social media, some people not happy. So I believe the young man was like, everything where they happen, they irritate and say, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu did there. Una they fight here, una they fight here. Okay, make I kuku kill myself. So we were begging the guy, so please don't do it, please don't do it. The guy carry knife. He they pursue everybody. I am the only one who stood in that dream. When he come, I run. Sometime I will come. After the guy can't drop the knife. As he put house on fire, he can't jump into the house. I am the only one who went there and saved that guy inside fire. I draw the guy out, but the guy was so powerful than me. Everybody come they look me. Nobody came to help me. I come they shout, say, why not come they look me now? If this guy come overpower me, throw me inside fire and come. Before they came and hold the guy down. And we saved that guy alive. I don't know what that dream means. I beg, make we will not kill ourselves. DOS, please don't threaten people. You wanna go vex. If your pikin can't slap you, you go kill him. No. Please. Make we not threaten anybody. Anybody make it talk the way you want. Please. Because now they vex for now. Because now they threaten, say, we go, if we not deal with that person, we go deal with him family. Please, brothers, don't threaten anybody. Stay on your lane. Do your things. If you don't want to finish the fight, fine. Oh no, Biafran glory. It's a very stupid dream. You see, Mumu. You see, they see Mumu people. Biafran glory. You see, say you be Mumu. Biafran glory son. You see, say you be Mumu. Somebody is telling you the realist. Instead of you to sit down and analyze and think, if they abuse me here, I will allow you to watch. I believe you are one of those who have a page. You say you got a drip. I'm not supporting anybody. We get some of us, we get mental issue. Now, wow. Another man, they say keep quiet. Okori. Maybe he's talking. Some of you, I know you are attacking other people. Somebody say who dream. Well, okay, the same person say who dream what? My brother, look. Listen. I'm not here to abuse you. Biafra glory rising sun. Listen. The problem where we get, we Igbos, be this. We are always jumping to conclusion. When you listen to me finish, you go can't think. With this guy, they lie. It's up to him. You understand? Me, I never lied. This is what I dream. I wake up, I say, which kind of your dream be this one? It can be dream. I say, me myself, I say, which kind of your dream be this one? What happened? But I believe, make we not kill ourselves. Whether you support Simon Ekpa, whether you support DOS, so make we not kill ourselves. Everybody maintain their lane. Thank you. I no go block you because they watch where you watch me, if they make sense to me. But only if you know abuse me. For you to be here, it means a lot to me. Thank you. God bless you. Innocent Okori say, Ogana lie. Address your people with Igbo language. Stop. Somebody say, make I address my people with Igbo. I'm not be only Igbo Biafra now. We have Calabar where be Biafra. We have Cross River Akwa Ibom where be Biafra. You understand? And we get people we know they hear from Port Harcourt and all that, my brother. Rita Brown said, keep quiet, we kill their saboteur. I see where we they talk. We know they talk sense. We know they talk things where we say go bring peace. Hey. Some people. Look what they are saying here. Stop attacking each other. If you say I'm not worried with your comments, I'm lying. If I said I'm not worried with your comment, I lied to myself. Just like Mazi Kanu lied to himself, like, what the people are saying on social media about him, he careless. He doesn't care less. Because now blood they run in our vein. You would think he's just trying to defend himself, like, I don't care. My brother is my issue. Yes, your brother is your issue. But he's going to sit down in his bed, lie down and start thinking. 5 people, they attack me. 6 people. Tomorrow, every day, they mention your name. And when you open phone like this, you go to see him. Probably this one, you go see him. Actually, I'm not attacking him. I'm just addressing issue. He's my brother. I love him. In fact, do you know what I love about Mazi Kanu? I love his voice. It's a special voice. The only person who get that kind of voice, when me, I don't know for this world. When I hear his voice, I like that guy voice. I like that guy voice. Come on. You should use that voice to sing reggae music. Come on, sing reggae music, bro. Call me. Make you come sing reggae music. Make I video you. You got a voice for reggae. Like, what's his name? This reggae master, I forgot his name anyway. Now we are joking, no. We're not a fight again, no, here. So anybody where they write anything now, it's like, why do you expose our people in South Africa? Biafra, why do you say exposing? Oh, J. Martin, what are you saying here? I saw J. Martin today. You say, why are you exposing our brother in South Africa? J. Martin say, IPOB na scam. Thank God. J. Martin, my brother, you are from Rivers. You never claim to be Igbo and you are Igbo man. Stop saying it's a scam. It's never a scam. We have a conflict here. We have a problem. Brothers and brothers fight. Never tell me that you have never have a quarrel with your brother or your family. If you have a quarrel with your brother, that means your family is a fake. I know you very well, bro. Stop that thing. Stop that thing. Go to your history. All you people from Ikwere and all those sides, you are claiming not to be Igbo. But when you go abroad, you will claiming, oh, I be Igbo person. Some of your brothers are here. When they come to this country, they say they be Igbo. But when they talk about Biafra, they say they not be Igbo. My brother, J. Martins, I don't care about you. I care about Nnamdi Kanu to come. It's not a scam. Oh, you are happy the way it is now. I won't close this thing, but J. Martins, don't bring me back to social media to stay longer. What happened to your roads in Rivers? Is the road okay? Do you have constant electricity? Recently, your road to your village is not okay. How many times have you come to condemn all this elite? IPOB is your problem. IPOB is your problem. J. Martins, come on, sit somewhere. Don't come. I better you don't comment on me. Don't get on my nerves, bro. You are suffering as long as I am. All of us will suffer together. You are my brother. You have nowhere to go. You're telling me I not be Igbo, I not be Igbo. I'm from Rivers. Let me tell you something. I'm from Cross River State. My name is Solomon William Kanu Awara. I am from Calabar. My name is Solomon Akman. I am from Igbo. My name is Solomon Okereke. I belong to all these exits. We are all brothers. We lost the language. Language, let me tell you, in Israel that we are today, this is not the original Jew they speak 2,000 years ago. Do you feel me now? Because you don't speak, you speak Igbo, but you are condemned. Scam. Majority of you, because your brothers are part of the elite, you will not allow Biafra to move forward. But the road to your village, una they beg money to fix una road for una village. Biafra is a scam. Look at the bandits killing all in Enugu. Is that a scam, bro? Bro Martins, I said that they kill people for my village. That they kill people for Enugu. Is that right? It's a question I'm asking you. Is that right? J. Martins, you want me to talk to you this morning? I'm talking to you. You are from Akwete. Some part of Akwete are claiming to be Igbo, some not, but all of them they speak Igbo. Okay. If I'm claiming not to be from Cross River State, if I'm claiming not to be from Akwete, I'm claiming not to be, we are brothers. I speak many languages. I speak Cross River. I speak Calabar. I speak Cross River. Cross River is different from Calabar. When you say Emesiere, those was na Akwa Ibom people abi. When you say Isoe, Avnene, that is Cross River. Some part of Cross River State will say Avnene. Avnene is how, good morning. Isoe means how are you? Isoe Kakure. I'm a prince in that exit. I am Prince Solomon William Kanu in Cross River State. Unana cho histories. You begin to hate Igbos for nothing. And you are suffering just like I do. You see those Hausa people, they don't care about you. They know we are one. They just divide us. They just want to let us be as we did, so make we be like that. J. Martins, please don't cross my path. Just keep quiet. Watch me or you go away. I'm an angry man. Do you know why I'm an angry man? Because your grandmama, I don't mean directly your grandmother. In your village right now, people are dying of hunger. What have you done? In the Western world, people are not dying, the old aged people are not dying of hunger. This is what Nnamdi Kanu stand for. This is what IPOP stand for. This is what Biafra stand for. You come here to tell me it's a scam? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? J. Martins, you're kidding me. J. Martin from Akwete. My brothers, please, 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 please. One day, me and you go meet. We go sit down and drink for the same cup. But please stay on your lane. Don't come and talk about it. Just watch me and go your way. If you want to make your platform to talk about negative about us, fine. You can create that, but don't come here to attack me. Don't come to tell me they are scam. We are never scam. This is misunderstanding between brothers. Just like you people were sold out in the war, Biafran war. Some of you sold the Igbos out. And that thing still stink with una, this generation of 2021. It still the stink into una. You call the Hausa people to come and block the Igbos in your lane there, in your rivers. So that thing where una grandpapa tell you still there on your face. But many people there, you they speak Igbo. If I speak Igbo, you they speak. But you go to condemn, say you not people. Anumpam. Sorry, I call you Anumpam. I have to call you because if you know your history, you wouldn't be saying that Nnamdi Kanu is a fake. You wouldn't be saying IPOB is a fake. Where's Ken Saro-Wiwa today? Ken Saro-Wiwa stood up to fight for you guys. They killed him. He does nothing. But they killed him. None of you will stand up and fight. Now bunkry, you go they do bunkry. Go they do bunkry. My mouth deaf don't dry. I don't have any lip system. That bunkry and the federal government, they give una one tashere money. Now in the sweet una road no good. Look at una Asari Tokumbo. Federal government give her money. He carry the money go build school for Benin Republic. Go and make a video and send me your village road where it to your village. If you say IPOB is a scam, J. Martins, go and make a video and show me that road where lead to your village. Show me, because recently someone in your village just gave you money. Abi, I hear them because you want me to talk. They gave you money to fix your village, but federal government cannot fix it. Just an individual. Federal government will not fight for. Federal government will give your brothers job for inside oil companies. Otwa hokunu gene zuzugari until una nwo it was 70 years old nwo nwa ga abia ona atakwa afufu nwa ga abia ko na ata afufu anoreba na zuzugari nda usa jira yin na akụ ball. J. Martin, when last did you enter train? J. Martins, have you entered fast train before? My brother, there's fast train in Yoruba land. There's fast train in Hausa land. You know, Zuzugari na village, Zuzugari na Port Harcourt. If you get 1 year small car where you dey ride, nothing say una don't arrive. Oh, life is good. Muhammadu Buhari, oh, you want another, waiting concern with it. You got no 70 years, 100 years old. Oh, Nigeria go good. Ah, Papa, uncle Nigeria go good. No ebe ahụ na-ezuzugari. Onye ọbụla na-ezuzugari. Inwo nwa ga-abịakwa na fight for freedom. Anyị na-ekwu ugbu a ka mmadụ niile jiri aka ofu. Ka anyị wee napụta ndị Hausa our freedom. N'ozugo. Onwe ihe na-eme unu n'isi ndị Ansi Rivers. Onwe ihe na-eme unu n'isi. Ọ bụrụ unu niile mana ama m some people. Ama some people. Even some Calabar people. Only one guy and Nsima. Nsima, if you're listening to me, look at me. Sosongo. Look at me, Nsima. Sosongo. The guy is from Akwa Ibom Street. He's on social media fighting for Biafra. Why somebody called himself J. Martins is supporting the Hausa people. Sometimes you say that Nnamdi Kanu is attacking the government. How do you get freedom if he doesn't attack the government? Sometimes you say Nnamdi Kanu is attacking the elders, but you call yourself a Christian. Why? When Jesus Christ went to the temple to flog the elders, can you really tell me what happened? Why Jesus Christ went to the temple to flog the elders? Because the elders are not spelling their names right. The elders in the temple was not spelling the name of God right. He went there and kicked their ass. That same Jesus Christ they are going to use some preach for you today in the church. But you open your wide mouth and say, Nnamdi Kanu is insulting elders. No. If elders, they fuck up. Nnamdi Kanu just flog them with their mouth. J. Martins, I want to ask you a question. Since you crossed my path, it's all about you now. Did you watch the Channel TV interview with Buhari? Did you see his hands? Did you know that the cameraman focused in his hands for more than 5 times? What did you see? Look at my hand. Go and watch that man's hand. Who is older? Me. I'm older than a man of 80-something years old. And I'm in middle 40. I'm in early 40. I'm in early 40. Look at my hand. Muhammadu Buhari hand is like my daughter of 15 years old. My son of 15 years old. Very clean. From here. So definitely that person you see there is about 30 years old. A 30 years old or 35 years old person, hands will never be like that. I think the sun, they enter here. So J. Martins, please don't come on a nerve anymore. Please, I'm begging you. If you are comfortable where you are, if you think it's okay, you have electricity in your state, it's okay. If you think your road is good, okay. If you use one motor, they think say you don't arrive. You get one small 20,000, 30,000. My brother, there are people in your village that are hungry. I know you may be a philanthropy, but it's not enough. You may be a good guy. You may be helping some widows and widowers, but it's not enough. It's not about you. It's about the government. It's about giving you good roads. It's about giving you a good hospital. Is there any good hospital in your village? None. Just one kind of hospital. When somebody is sick, they go straight to Port Harcourt or somewhere outside to go and treat yourself. And you're telling me IPOB is scam. My brother, don't get on our nerves, bro. It's not do or die. I love you. You're my brother. I wish you're here still listening to me. You are my brother. One day we're going to sit down like this together. 1 minute of week. It doesn't mean say I talk to you now, I hate you to death. No. But the truth must be told. Because people like you, they don't take hammer and nail, block on our ear. So what we need now, we with the social media, what you need, we go put nail, carry hammer, can knock the thing come out, so that you not go understand.